Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. All right, this is the official flip cover with S Pen, all right, for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. All right, let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, here's the box. Flip cover with pen, Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Antimicrobial cover, protection from degradation. All right, not much else on the back, just tell you a little bit about the contents of the box. Nice and easily open. Samsung does a good job of that. All right, so we pull out the case here. It's a flip case, and you got something else in here. You got some extra nibs for the pen. All right, so you got this pen nib removal that you can put take out some put some more nibs in there if you wanted to. Got some instructions here on how to use things. This is the pen right here. Okay, let's pull that out. Okay, but this is the case right here. It's got a nice feel to the back, silicone, but it's got some grip. It's got that kind of matte feel to the back. Got a little hard TPU side here to hold the phone in. And then you got the soft back right here. I like that. This is soft as well, soft touch, okay? And you have this holder for the S Pen. Now this can be removed, which I didn't know that before I ordered the case, but let's see, I thought it could be removed. I think it can. There we go. So you slide this up and you can take this off and you can just have the flip cover, okay? So that's pretty cool. Or you can put this back on and carry the case with you when you want to. Just put it back in the slot right there and slide it down, okay? So that's pretty cool right there. I like that. Now let's get the device and put it inside and see how it looks. Okay, we got the Galaxy Z Fold 3 right here. Let's go ahead and put this in. I believe you can just set this in like that. It snaps on. So this bottom piece is where the camera is right there. You can see, and everything sits flush, just a little bit raised right there, right? So it is going to be protected. It's very shallow, but very well done by Samsung. You got opening for the volume rocker right here and the power and fingerprint sensor right there, all right? So that's opened up so you can use that. Okay, and I understand that this is magnetic, so it turns on the device when you open it and turn it back on when you close it. So off, on, all right? Nice and sleek, doesn't add any bulk, and you're gonna be able to carry the S Pen with you, all right? So here's the S Pen right here, and I'll look at this separately, but this is the Fold edition, you can see right there. So it only works with the Fold, this one. They do have a, got a little Samsung branding on this side. The nib is a little bit different than the regular S Pen, and it's a little bit fatter, but still pretty nice and trim for precision, okay? And this does retract. You got to press pretty hard, but it does retract, all right? Now, you just set this inside, and you got your S Pen you can carry with this case right here. Nice and slim, all right? And this phone is not big at all. I mean, contrary to popular beliefs, you might think it's big. It looks like that on videos, but it's not that big, all right? I like the way it works. Now, you open this up, and you're gonna have this sticking out like that. Now, when you set this, let me turn my fingerprint off. But when you set this down and you're writing, this is gonna kind of set up at an angle like that, which is cool with me. But if you hit like this, it's gonna rock. But normally, you're writing, you're not gonna have a problem, okay? You gotta pay attention to that. But you can remove this back if you wanted to. I feel like I'm not gonna do that because I do want that pen. I use it a lot at work, all right? You got your opening for your charging port right there, your speakers, everything's open up, your mic right there. Got two more mics up top, mic right here. So several mics on this device, all right? So it's gonna work pretty well. So I think it's gonna be a nice case. Get a good look at it right there. Okay, so we got the S Pen out, and it works very well with this device. I like the fact that you have a more expansive space to write on, whereas on the phones, you got a limited space to write on right here, right? But here you got a bigger space. This is the Note 20, which is a big phone, but I like this wide area right here. Now I'm writing pretty big right now, but you can write smaller to get more on your tablet, all right? And the crease is not noticeable when you're writing like that, okay? It slides right across it. You can hear the paper sound when you're writing. So nice. I use my pen a lot at work, so I do a lot of writing. Plenty of notes, okay? And you got your functions right there, all right? The screen on here feels good. Writing experience is just like the Note. Okay, then the S Pen seats in here, pretty cool. It's not real tight, but it's tight enough where it won't shake out or anything like that. Okay, so that was a quick look at the flip case cover for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. This is with the S Pen. If you like to write and you want something that's slim, doesn't have bulk, this is going to work for you, okay? I will put the link in the description for you for a couple of places you can get it in the video. All right, now if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.